Hi, this is a demonstration on how you can create a Zap using NeetoCRM. So first, let us create a Zap. The initial step is to select a trigger event for your Zap. So upon clicking this, you will be shown a modal with a bunch of applications from which you will have to choose NeetoCRM. Once you've chosen that, you need to choose a trigger event. So we have two trigger events, new deal and new lead. So new deal triggers when a new deal is created and new lead triggers when a new lead is being created. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose new lead. The next step is to integrate our NeetoCRM account with the Zapier. So let me connect a new account. You'll be redirected to this page. In this page, there are two fields, subdomain and API key. Now, what's a subdomain? As the description suggests, if you're accessing NeetoCRM using the link spincart.neetocrm.com, then spincart is your subdomain. So this is my subdomain. Now, in order to get the API key, let's head over to the NeetoCRM. Go to the admin panel, scroll down to the integration section, click on Zapier. Now you can create the API key. This will lead you to the API keys page of the admin panel. You can create an API key. Make sure to select Zapier and you can save changes. Now copy this API key, paste over here, and you can continue to your Zap application. Now let us test our trigger event. So in order to test that the trigger event works, you have a bunch of leads because you've chosen new lead as a trigger event. You have a bunch of new leads from your NeetoCRM dashboard. So let's select one of the newer leads that has been created so that you can test it. So I'll continue with this selected record. Now, what I want to do with this record is to create a new spreadsheet row every time a new lead is being created. So let me connect my Google Sheets, create spreadsheet row, and you can connect your Google account in order to connect your Google Sheets and continue. You can choose the spreadsheet that you want. Once you have chosen the spreadsheet that you want, you will be shown a bunch of fields over here. So what are these fields? So this is my spreadsheet. It consists of 4 headers: lead name, email, phone number, and source. These are the corresponding fields that are being shown in the Zap application. So I want to map the data that I've received from NeetoCRM to this Google Sheet. So lead name, email, phone number, and source. You can map additional data beyond this, but for demonstration purposes, I'll be mapping these 4 fields. And let's click on continue and test the step. The row was sent to Google Sheets. So let's head over to the Google Sheet. Now, as you can see, this has been successful. And now let's publish our Zap. Now that my Zap is live, let me go and test it from my NeetoCRM dashboard. So I shall be creating a new lead. Once you have filled out the fields, I'm saving changes. And I've created my new lead. So as you can see, there's a new successful run. Let's head over to our spreadsheet. And yes, the new lead that we have created has been automated and we have created a new spreadsheet row corresponding to that. So this is it. Thank you.